Hey guys, today's video is going to be a house reset and this is long overdue. It's been a couple of weeks before I've had a really good sort out and I've just been feeling so overwhelmed with how much there is to do. I'm sure so many of you watching feel this way as well, especially if you've got young kids. You just never feel like you're catching up. It can be really overwhelming, and so I just thought I'd spend a few hours getting really stuck into cleaning and sorting out like laundry and everything like that, and film it for you guys so that if you're feeling like you need some cleaning motivation as well, you can stick me on in the background or watch me and hopefully you'll get inspired to do the same. So let's jump into the reset.